Welcome back. In this video we will see how to create a table in SQL Server and how to add data in that table. So let's get started. To create a table in SQL Server, we need to give a name of that table and then the arguments in the bracket. So we will start by writing create table and then the table name employee and the arguments, like if you want employee ID, employee salary, city, or whatever fields you want in this section. We will give a data type, that is, first we need to write column name, that is employee ID, and after that I will give the data type that I want for the employee ID. I will give it a data type that is integer, int, then comma, and I will write my next argument, that is salary. Salary is also integer, and after that I will write employee name, that is a character type, so VARCHAR, that is used for the character type, and I will give a length of 50 characters for the name, and I will hit comma, and then now I want the city column, so I will add city, and then again VARCHAR, that is a data type for characters, and I will write 100 is the length of that character. Now I will close the bracket that I have all the arguments that I need in this section for the table, and I will hit semicolon. Now I need to select, first I need to use that database where I want this table, use practice db semicolon. First I will execute this statement. Here, as you can see, commands completed successfully. After that I will create this table, and here you can see commands completed successfully. Select star is used for selecting all values in the particular table or particular database where you want the data. Select all from here. You can see we have the column names that are employee ID, salary, employee name, and city. I hope you have understood. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.